here's how to use the restart file list option. What this does is, say if you have some prints, lots of prints, what it does, it saves a file list, this list of files to print after each single one, so you can then go back later and restart if you need to. Say if your PC locks up or printer jams and you need to restart the prints at a certain stage, then you can go back through each one. So to enable this, go to Options menu, General Setup Options, Advanced, Auto Save the file list after every file printed, checkbox, and this is a path that it saves the file list to. If you leave it blank, then it uses the temp folder for the user. In this case I want to save it to here, so save and exit. So I'm going to print. So as you can see, it's creating 3 lists because of 3 files. So say if I wanted to restart this example test print later, so machine's rebooted and it's come back up, what you do is drag and drop that A or B. As you can see, it has printed the first 2 by the status there, so I just want to print the last one again. So you can either just delete them off, or you can set them to no. So I'm going to select to no, to not print those, and then you can just reprint the last file. So that's that done now, and this will create a file list every time you print a file, so you have a complete record of each file list. It's a great new option, give it a try.